Want clean, accurate data in Power BI? Let's go through the top 10 essential steps for data cleaning. Number 1. Handling missing data. First, check for missing values. Should you remove, replace, or impute them? Use Power Query functions like replace values or fill up down to handle gaps. Number 2. Removing duplicates. Duplicate data can mess up your reports. Use Remove Duplicates in Power Query to clean redundant records and ensure data accuracy. Number 3. Correcting data types. A number stored as text? That's a problem. Set correct data types like date, integer, or decimal in Power Query or Model View to prevent errors. Number 4. Standardizing data formats. Inconsistent formats? Standardize text case, uppercase, lowercase, title case, and unify date formats like YMDD or MM/DD/YYY. Use text, trim, to remove extra spaces. Number 5. Handling inconsistent data. United States, USA, or USA? Fix spelling variations using group by or replace values to ensure uniform data. Number 6. Addressing outliers and anomalies. Outliers can skew your analysis. Identify them using mean, median, and standard deviation, then filter or transform them for better insights. Number 7. Removing extra spaces and special characters. Messy data? Use trim, clean, and replace functions to remove unnecessary spaces and special characters. Number 8. Fixing relationships and keys. Broken relationships? Ensure primary and foreign keys are properly linked and resolve duplicate or missing key values in related tables. Number 9. Unpivoting or pivoting data. Wide data tables? Use unpivot columns to transform them into long format or pivot columns to create summary tables. Number 10. Verifying data consistency and validity. Double-check your data. Cross-check with source files. Use data profiling tools in Power Query and validate column distributions to ensure accuracy. A clean dataset means better insights. Follow these steps to make your Power BI reports more accurate and efficient. Which data cleaning challenge do you face the most? Comment below. Why SQL Server is the best data source for Power BI. SQL Server is one of the most widely used databases for Power BI, offering seamless integration, high performance, and advanced security features. But what makes it the best data source for Power BI? Let's explore the top 5 reasons. 1. Seamless integration with Power BI. Power BI natively supports SQL Server through direct query, import mode, and live connection. This allows users to fetch data efficiently with built-in connectors, ensuring smooth data extraction without complex configurations. 2. High performance and scalability. SQL Server is built for handling large volumes of data with optimized performance. By using indexed views, partitioning, and column store indexes, Power BI queries execute faster, providing quick insights to users. 3. Advanced security and compliance. Data security is a priority. With row-level security, RLS, transparent data encryption, TD, and always encrypted, SQL Server ensures that your data remains protected when accessed through Power BI, essential for industries with strict data governance policies. 4. Powerful querying with T-SQL and stored procedures. SQL Server allows Power BI to leverage T-SQL queries and stored procedures to perform complex transformations before data is loaded. This reduces the processing load on Power BI and enhances dashboard performance. 5. Support for real-time analytics. With change data capture, CDC, and direct query, SQL Server enables real-time analytics in Power BI. Businesses can monitor live data changes instantly, making decision-making faster and more efficient. So to conclude this video, I can say, SQL Server is the best data source for Power BI due to its seamless integration, high performance, security, advanced querying, and real-time analytics. If you're a Power BI developer, SQL Server is the perfect choice to power up your reports and dashboards. Ever wondered how Power BI keeps your reports updated? Let's break down data refresh in Power BI and its different types. What is data refresh? Data refresh ensures your reports always reflect the latest data by updating datasets from connected sources, either in real time or on a schedule. Types of data refresh in Power BI. 1. Manual refresh. Users manually refresh datasets in Power BI Desktop or Power BI Service. 2. Scheduled refresh. Set automatic refresh intervals, like hourly or daily, for imported data sources. 3. Live connection. Directly connects to databases like SQL Server Analysis Services, updating instantly. 4. Direct query refresh. Fetches data in real time without storing it in Power BI. Great for large datasets. 5. Incremental refresh. Refreshes only new or modified data, boosting performance for big datasets. Best practices for data refresh. Use incremental refresh for large datasets to optimize performance. Remove unnecessary columns and rows to reduce data model size. Monitor refresh status in Power BI Service to detect failures. Optimize queries to reduce refresh time. Which data refresh type do you use the most? Let us know in the comments. Are you ready to unlock the true power of Power BI? Let's talk about DAX, the secret sauce that transforms basic dashboards into advanced, insightful reports. If you're serious about mastering Power BI, this is a must-watch. Let's dive in. Under Oath has written this LinkedIn newsletter, so if you want to read, check description. DAX is the backbone of Power BI. It's what makes complex calculations and advanced data modeling possible. Think about creating year-to-date sales, running totals, or even month-over-month growth. DAX makes all of that happen. Sure, Power BI offers basic calculations like sums and averages, but DAX takes it to the next level. Want dynamic measures that change with slicers? Or conditional logic to highlight outliers? With DAX, you can make your reports smarter and more interactive. Time-based analysis is a breeze with DAX. Compare metrics like last month's sales or the same period last year. You can even calculate rolling averages or handle custom fiscal year calendars, all within Power BI. Did you know poorly written DAX can slow down your dashboards? Learning the right techniques, like using Calculate efficiently or choosing SUMX over SUM, can make your reports run smoothly, even with large data sets. DAX adds flexibility to your dashboards. Imagine creating dynamic KPIs that update in real time based on user input, or implementing multi-level filters for focused insights. It's the key to tailored, impactful reporting. Here's the truth. Mastering DAX separates beginners from experts. If you want to stand out as a Power BI developer, strong DAX skills are non-negotiable. Many business-critical projects depend on it. So, how do you get started? Begin with basics like SUM, average, and calculate. Then, progress to advanced concepts like filter context and time intelligence. Balance your learning. Focus 60% on DAX and data modeling, 30% on Power Query, and the rest on visual storytelling. Remember, DAX is the game changer in Power BI. Master it, and you'll unlock limitless possibilities for creating impactful, business-driven dashboards. Start today and elevate your skills to the next level. Thanks for watching. 5 powerful ways to use bar charts for data visualization. Bar charts are a cornerstone of data visualization. But are you using them to their full potential? In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful ways to use bar charts to compare, analyze, and present your data effectively. Let's get started. Under Oath has written this LinkedIn newsletter. If you want to read it, check description. First up, comparing sales performance across categories. Imagine you're analyzing sales data for different regions or product categories, like electronics, furniture, or apparel. Bar charts make these comparisons straightforward. By placing values side by side, you can instantly spot which category or region is outperforming the others. Whether you're comparing department sales or product types, bar charts give you the clarity you need. Next, let's talk about tracking trends over time. Are you monitoring monthly revenue or yearly growth? Group bar charts are perfect for this. Bar charts make it easy to see if your performance is improving or declining. Group your data by months, quarters, or years to identify trends and take actionable insights. Third, we have resource allocation. When you need to show how budgets or resources are distributed across projects or teams, horizontal bar charts shine. The horizontal format allows for easy comparison, even with long labels, and highlights the largest or smallest allocations at a glance. Now, let's highlight top performers. Whether it's your best-selling products, top customers, or star employees, bar charts are great for ranking. This clear ranking helps you focus on your biggest contributors to success and celebrate achievements. Finally, bar charts are excellent for measuring progress toward goals. Use clustered or stacked bar charts to compare actual values against targets. These visualizations highlight gaps and help track KPIs or quotas effectively, keeping your team focused on what matters. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips for using bar charts effectively. Use horizontal bars for long labels. Choose vertical bars for time series data. Try stacked bars to show parts of a whole. Use clustered bars to compare multiple metrics in the same category. Bar charts are incredibly versatile, and now you know how to use them in powerful ways. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.